Hello respected teachers, I'm very excited to share my experience of internship with you guys. My name is Shub and let's begin. This was the storage unit in which where we kept our files and important documents date-wise. This was my assigned workspace and me. The first case that was assigned to me was by Varun sir, and he told me to create a detailed briefing of this defamation case which would help me prepare legal documents and analyze case details. This was the briefing I had created and he was more than happy with it. I was also to conduct research on defamation and transfer petitions that was assigned to me by Jay sir to enhance my legal research skills.
Hello everyone, my name is Disha. My experience with Shyam Hospital was really great. I learned several things there and I would really like to thank our principal ma'am and the teachers for giving me this opportunity of the summer internship. Thank you very much. Here, she is showing us what is local anesthesia, how to use it and where to use it.
There are different types of doctor's tape like 1 inch, 2. This is a forcep which we use to pick up certain kinds of bandages. This is a gauze piece which is commonly used in dressing up.